If your manuscript has been flagged for AI-generated content, or if your writing sounds too formal and robotic, this tutorial is for you. ScholarForge. Academy's Paraphrasing and Humanization module doesn't just replace words. It diagnoses exactly which sentences trigger AI detectors, explains why, and gives you 2 rewrite options for each one. Then it rewrites your entire document in natural academic language. Let me show you how. Upload your document, PDF, Word, or TXT, or paste your text directly. The module detects large documents and processes them in chunks automatically. Select Smart Humanize as your mode. This is the most powerful option, and click Paraphrase. The output starts with Section 1, the AI Risk Analysis table. Every paragraph in your document is scored for AI detection risk, with the first 8 words shown and the key AI patterns identified. You can immediately see which sections of your writing are most likely to be flagged. Download the Word document for a beautifully formatted version. The AI risk table is clean and professional, perfect for understanding your document's AI exposure at a glance. Section 2 is where it gets powerful. Every sentence scoring above 70% AI risk is flagged with its exact score. For each flagged sentence, you get 2 completely different rewrite options. Option A uses active voice and direct phrasing. Option B uses a different structure. And the reason tells you exactly why the original sentence reads as AI-generated. Here's a sentence scoring 92% AI risk. The reason given is overuse of nominalizations and stock phrase structure. Option A and Option B offer completely natural alternatives. You choose which fits your voice best. Section 3 is the complete humanized version of your entire document. Every changed phrase is highlighted in yellow. The language is now natural, active, and readable. No more archaic synonyms or overly formal constructions. The abstract now reads the way a real researcher would write. The full introduction rewritten, shorter sentences, active voice, natural flow. The content and all citations are preserved exactly. Only the language has been humanized. Section 4 gives you a measurable before and after comparison. AI risk dropped from 72% to 34%. Active voice jumped from 38% to 71%. Passive constructions reduced from 47 to just 12. These are real, measurable improvements your reviewer will notice. And finally, a specific list of every type of change made, with examples. Converted passive constructions to active voice. Broke nominalization chains. Added natural hedging. Replaced bureaucratic phrasing with direct connectors. This is not just paraphrasing. This is a complete academic writing upgrade. That is Smart Humanize. AI risk scoring. Sentence-level flags with 2 rewrite options. A fully humanized document, and a measurable before and after comparison. Try it at ScholarForge.academy. Like, subscribe, and share with a colleague whose writing needs a human touch.